Hey everybody, Mark here from Beefree, and I want to take a minute to walk through Beefree's improved Builder navigation bar. It's been completely redesigned to make it quicker and easier to design and export your emails and landing pages. But don't just take it from me, let's check it out together now. So to help you take advantage of the top navigation bar, here is what each button does from left to right. So clicking the back arrow takes us from the Builder to the details page of our email. And to jump back into the Builder, all we need to do now is click Edit Email. By clicking Summer Solstice, we can change the name of our email. So let's edit this to say Summer Solstice Promo, for example. This icon here lets us know if we're working on an email or a landing page, which is especially helpful when we're creating the same content for both mediums. Next, we have Preview Mode, where we can easily visualize how our email or landing page will appear to recipients. Send Test does exactly that. It sends a test of our email to any email address we input here. And then we have Edit Details, which lets you conveniently input all of your email details, including the subject line, pre-header, or any UTMs you might have. Now, when designing a landing page, for instance, if we click Edit Details again, here you can easily change the title, meta description, and for select premium plans, even add analytic codes to track the success of your pages. Moving along now, this icon here opens up the commenting functionality in Beefree, where you can easily add, reply, or resolve any comments left on your design. If you want to access additional resources like product updates, support docs, or even helpful videos, you can look no further than the question mark here. And finally, with the export button, you can now effortlessly export your email and landing page designs right from the Builder. Quick and convenient. And that's everything you need to know about our new and improved Builder navigation bar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest news, updates, and tutorials. Thanks for stopping by.